guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, gagawa ako ng makeup look and actually it's going to be a quick one kasi we'll do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So without further ado, simulan na natin. So na moisturize ko na yung mukha ko, I used this Eye White Aqua Moisturizer. So ito yung ginagamit ko on a regular basis and siya kasi yung madaling mag-absorb. So simulan na natin. So, I will be starting the timer. So, 5 minutes lang to. Hindi siya masyadong makeup na heavy makeup. Kasi hindi naman ako talaga nagme-makeup ng ganun ka-heavy. And, yung mga basics lang na usual kong ginagamit. So, simulan na natin yung ating 5-minute makeup. So, start natin yung timer. So, ayan siya. 5 minutes. So, let's start. I'll be using the Benefit na professional na primer. So, mabilis lang tayo. Kasi this is the makeup that we use on a regular basis. So, konti lang yung nilalagay kong primer. Now, let's move on to our base. So, I'll be using this one, L'Oreal Infallible na 24-hour Fresh Wear. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So, I'll be using a sponge. Ang hirap pag nagmamadali ka. So, 1.5 pumps. So, there's a trick that I have recently learned na kapag magme-makeup ka, if you have oily eyebrows, lagyan mo rin ng foundation yung kilay mo and you set it also with a powder kasi it helps for your eyebrows not to become shiny. So, 2 minutes na agad yun. So, i-buff lang natin siya with a damp sponge. So, hindi ako nagko-concealer on a regular. So, I use this Nichido na final powder and Creamy Glow para maset natin yung makeup. So, ginagay ko siya. And happy foundation day. So, let's buff it with a brush. So, next is kilay. So, dito ako nagtatagal. So, drawing tayo ng kilay. You could see very light lang yung pag-glide ng pangkilay. That's why I love using this. So, hindi siya even. But it's okay. It's enough. 1 minute na lang! 1 minute! So, So, yan. Okay na yan. So, let's blush. And lipstick. Grabe yun. Yun lang yun. Lipstick. So, Careline pala parehas yung blush ko and yung aking lipstick. Yan, may 10 seconds pa. Pwede pa ayusin yung kilay. But, so far, yan lang. So, tapos na yung time. So, 5 minutes. So, ito yung makeup na na-achieve natin. So, syempre, wag mo na isama yung primer and moisturizer. Dapat, before you do this challenge, nagawa mo na yon kasi, mauubos yung oras mo. But so far, ito yung makeup look na go-to ko everyday. So, hindi lang medyo pantay yung kilay. But, it's okay. Kasi your kilay should not always be even. Sometimes they're cousins, sometimes they're sisters. But, very rare yung occasion na they're twins. So, ito yung aking 5-minute makeup look. So, if sobrang late na ako for work, yan, ganyan lang yung itsura ng makeup natin. So, 5 minutes, you still have time to spare for other things. Like if you're having breakfast, kumakain ka before you go to work. So, eto lang, mabilis lang. So, yan. So, that's what it looks like sa natural lighting. So, you have to take care of your skin kasi para meron ka ng natural sheen like this. So, you don't need highlighter kasi you're glowing, girl. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. If nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please hit the like button. Comment down below if 5 minutes is enough for you to do your makeup every day. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!